What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you ways you can make money as a teenager. I know we all need money, so if we could find ways to get money flowing in our bank account, why not? Am I right? Like before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. On the road to 1K. Subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, the first thing everybody knows, if you're a teenager, get a job. Oh, I know. Some people really don't like to work outside of their house, or like they just don't want to do nothing. But I'm telling you, the main way you're gonna make some money is if you work those hours at a job. Could work in the mall, fast food, can be an assistant somewhere, do whatever. As long as you're able to like get some hours in and make some money and you're getting paid by the hour. I know I work at McDonald's, and at McDonald's they start hiring from 14 years old. So if you're 14 and you're watching this video and you need some cash and you got your parents to bring you got a ride, by all means apply. And you might get hired and you might start making money way ahead everybody else that's, you know, your age or in your grade. So if you could start making that money early, do it, okay? So the next thing can make you money is social media. Do YouTube. Like, I'm doing YouTube, trying to get to that 1K, you know, trying to get that monetization, you know what I'm saying? But it's really, if you're sitting at home and you have a good personality, you have tips to provide people, and you have good information you want to say, get yourself your iPhone, get yourself the iMovie, put it together and create a YouTube channel. Okay, that's it, because you never know who's gonna come across your page, who could eventually make your channel grow, and you might impact a lot of people, and you never know. So I suggest, if you want to do YouTube and you're scared, I'm telling you, just do it. I'm telling you, just do it. Yes, it's a lot of work with the consistency and the editing, but I'm not saying just do YouTube for the money, but if you like making videos, if you like making people laugh, if you like talking a lot and like just saying your opinion on stuff, like, YouTube is a place for you. A lot of people I know don't want to do YouTube because they don't like the sound of their voice, they don't like the way they look, you know, and they don't like want to hear what people have to say, you know, which is understandable because YouTube is a lot if you are like insecure or whatever like that, and it is a lot showing your face and like having people recognize you or all that stuff. So if you don't want to do that, you can make a YouTube channel. You don't even have to show your face and you don't have to say nothing. The way you do it is you go find random sounds, beats, hymns, rhythms, sleeping sounds, sleeping ocean. You go get those sounds, you put them on a loop for an hour, 2 hours. You're able to post it on your own YouTube channel and say like 1 hour of relaxing sleep music, or 1 hour of piano music, 1 hour of ocean sound waves, and people will watch that. And I know people will watch that because I watch that. Okay, sometimes it's hard to fall asleep, you need something in the background, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't want to have your face showing, just come up with those sounds and then just post it and have your own little YouTube name, own little YouTube channel. Like if I had my YouTube channel, it can be called like Grace Sounds or something like that. And then nobody even knows it's me. And you can just get paid from just posting random sounds on YouTube, and people will watch that, and the ads will keep going because people watch those videos while they sleep. I'll be putting those things I want to go to sleep. When I wake up, it's still playing. Or it goes to another channel and I'm confused because that thing didn't shut off in the night. It didn't. So those ads will keep running and that is what's going to bring you in some cash. So if you don't want to show your face, that is an option for you. And if you get 1,000 subscribers and you reach 4,000 watch hours in the time span of a year, you'll be able to get monetized and put ads in your YouTube video that can eventually bring you in some money. Okay, the next one that I have is Depop, Poshmark, and Letgo. So Depop, a lot of teens know this is very popular. It's like the site where you can resell your old clothes, new clothes, whatever. But when I tell you, everyone can make money from this. Everyone. Because I know y'all got clothes you don't even wear. Like half the clothes in your closet that's piled up, you don't really wear. Go through your closet, do that deep clean. Okay, I'm not talking about saving things from the 3rd grade. Throw it out. Sell it. It's time for it to go. It's not cute no more, you know what I'm saying? So do a deep clean of your whole room. Get in your drawers, get in the bins, get in the closet. See what clothes that you don't want anymore, like you're not gonna wear. and I'm telling you, you can resell those things and people will buy them, okay? If you got clothes for kids, grannies, teenagers, whatever, they will buy them on Depop and on Poshmark. Now, let's say you have like electronics, like you have iPhone chargers, old iPods, old computers, Chromebook, MacBook, what else? AirPods, headphones, old headphones, Beats, boombox, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you have those, go to Letgo, or it's Letgo/OfferUp. I think they're like together now. Go on there and post your stuff and you will have people wanting to buy those electronics, okay? I'm telling you, if you have things just laying around in your room that are just taking up space, get money from it and just sell it, because you don't need it anymore. Might as well make money from it, you know what I'm saying? The next thing to do, recycle. These bottles right here, I'm about to show you something. Water bottles right here, 5 cents. So these bottles, if you recycle these bottles, you know when you go to ShopRite, Walmart, Stop and Shop, see those little recycling big machines with the circle in it so you can scan these water bottles. If you're a teenager and you need some extra cash, you better be up in there, collect your water bottles, okay? All the water bottles that you have in your house that you drink, put a bag aside, put a little bin aside for recycling, collect those water bottles and go every week to the store, and you can make like a couple extra dollars. It's not that much like when you make it at first, but if you keep adding those up, if you keep saving these water bottles and save up that money that you're making from these, it will give you some money in time, okay? So if you need extra cash, go ahead, get the bottles and start recycling, okay? And it's also good for the planet. You're doing 2 things at once. Like, awesome, great, right? Okay, the next thing, create a small business. Now, I've been struggling with this one because I want to create a small business. I just don't know what I want to do yet, but hopefully in the future it will come. But if you know how to do hair, girl, if you know how to do nails, do makeup, know how to do lashes, you know how to do any of that, that's a business right there. Come up with the name, come up with, you know, all your numbers and how much you charge, and create like a whole logo and all that stuff, and boom, you got a business. Hair, you don't even need to know how to install wigs. You don't even need to know how to, you know, actually add hair into braiding. If you know how to cornrow, you better charge. You don't have to do all that extra stuff. Like, you're just beginning, starting out hair or nails, you don't have to charge a lot, because people's not gonna pay you like a lot if you just started and it doesn't come out right. Don't put your prices too high if you're just starting out and you know, like, you still need some practice. But if you know how to do little things on the low, like if you're in school, like in college, like I'm about to go to college, like you can start those little businesses in your dorm and like charge your roommates and whatever like that. But yeah, that's extra money coming in. If you know how to do nails, people are in love with nails, lashes, and hair. You can't tell me they're not. So if you know how to do that, like, share your skills and you can benefit from just doing that. You can make some extra cash and you're helping other people out, getting their hair right, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't even have to be things like you know how to do. Like, if you don't know how to do hair, like, okay, but you can also sell t-shirts. Like, go online, go on those t-shirt websites, create your own logo, create your own picture or whatever like that, and you can just start selling those shirts. If you promote those shirts, people will start buying it. Like, your friends will start buying it, and eventually if you tell them to share it, more people will know about it. Also, if you want to do like lip gloss, you can do that. You can make perfume, you can do a whole bunch of stuff that you don't really need a lot of skill for, to be honest. Go on YouTube, search up how to make lip gloss, how to do this and that, boom, you know how to do it, and then just put your name on it, make it a little unique, put a little flair into it, and boom, you got an item to sell, you know what I'm saying? Okay, the last thing that I have is to save your coins. And I actually mean literal coins. Like, if you got a quarter, dime, nickel, penny, quarter, nickel, dime, penny, save them. Because that change, I'm about to show you. I have this little bottle. It used to say, you know this brand, it used to say, but it's a little old now, so it tore off. But I've been using this, well, like me and my sisters have been using this to save our change. So like any extra change we put in here, if you guys can see that, we put all this change in here. And you might think like, y'all can't be serious, y'all saving pennies? And yes, we are. We are saving pennies, because those pennies become $1 and that dollar become 10. It's not about what it is like right now. It's like in the future, what it can be. This right here could be about like $10, and this was just from us putting our extra change into this bottle. And I work at McDonald's, like I said, and I'd be giving people their change back and they just be throwing it in the parking lot. And I'm like, y'all don't save your change? Like, that could be useful, very much useful, because those quarters especially, those quarters add up real quick. You know, 4 times 25, 100, $1. So those things add up. So if you have extra change, get yourself a little pouch, get yourself a little bottle, and put that change. Every time you get extra change, put it in that bottle and just let it sit and keep adding it up. And when the time comes for you to actually need some extra change, you go get this, you go to the bank, and they have like the coin thing that transfers it to like bills and all that stuff. You put this all in it, and like you'll get like $10 from doing this or more if you're consistent and you save it up. But yeah, that is all the tips and ways I have for you guys to start making some money if you're a teenager. Even if you're not a teenager, you could definitely do these things, but like, I know teens are really trying to figure out different ways how to make money. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe on the way to 1K. Make sure to subscribe. I would love to have you join this family. Comment down below also what videos you want me to post, what videos you want to see me do, because I need some ideas, okay? Because I want to make sure that you guys are able to smile and laugh on this channel. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.